YouTube, what is up? This is Come to Japan, the channel that wants you to come to Japan. My name is Dan. Thanks again for joining me on another episode. If this is your first time here, thanks for joining. If you're coming back, hey, glad to see you again. So I'm doing an update on my Medaka Japanese rice fish pond, and we're gonna clean it out, reset it up, and I actually got a new pond. I got a new little pond that we're gonna set up with a couple new fish, and I'm super excited about it. I caught the fish bug, and yeah, let's get it all started. Let's get the cleaning and get to the update and check out the new fish. All right, guys, so quick update on my little fish pond here. You can see a couple of fish swimming around in there. We're gonna clean out the water. You can see there's a little bit of algae and whatnot. It's been about a month. Like I said, the fish sometimes they're a little bit skittish and they like to hide. You can see them going behind this tree there. They like to hide behind the tree. Not a tree on the rock there, but we're gonna clean this up and yeah, make it all look nice and new. There's a guy swimming right behind that rock and a couple other guys. There they are. See, they're pretty skittish, and I want to make their setup a little bit more simple. Take out some of the stuff, still give them a little bit of cover, but like I said, we can't really see them because they're hiding all the time. This is the new bowl. This is the new bowl that I got. It was on sale. It's about saying it's plastic. This other one here is ceramic, really heavy. They're about the same literage wise. I set up this little scape here, which is kind of fun, and the fish food. And that's going to be the home of these guys. I've caught the bug. I got 5 more Shiro Medaka, white Shiro Medaka, and I'm gonna mix them. I got 5 of these guys, and I'm gonna put them in with the Himedaka. Let's get their new home here set up. Let's get this one cleaned up. Just a quick reminder of our goal here on the Come to Japan channel, but our goal is to grow large enough to where this channel can support bringing someone to Japan for free. Basically sponsor free trips to Japan with your likes, comments, and subscribes. That's all we have to do to grow this community together, and we'll bring someone to Japan for free and bring as many people as we can to Japan for free through this channel. So you can see there that my fish, my Medaka, have already spawned. There's one little baby fish that I found maybe 2 weeks ago. Let me focus in on him a little bit there. There he is. He's making a cute little shadow there. Hard to catch him, but he's just a little guy. Just a little guy. And within 2 weeks of keeping these fish, I don't know if I can catch a few from this side or not. I don't know, probably hard to see, but they spawned. A little baby fish. I'm imagining there's more, so that's why one of the reasons why we're going to clean it out and see if we got some other little baby Medaka. I'm super excited to have this guy. Hello. He's being a little monkey in there. He's being a little monkey in there. Monkey. You're a cute little monkey. He's inside right now. He'll come out here when we have a little bit more set up. Because he likes to touch stuff and knock stuff over. Nah? Monkey. Alright. Bye-bye. See you later. See you later. Good job. There you go. And these are koi no bori. Koi no bori. I got these at Daiso. Is koi no bori season. Daiso, he's in there laughing, but it's koi no bori season here, and these are basically just kind of like a traditional windsock that are koi fish. Daiso, yes, I got them at Daiso. And we put them out, and it's nice weather. Hey, is it? Off our balcony here. Yeah, you funny boy. What are you doing? Being funny boy for the camera. Yeah. So Buena, buddy. Like I said, they're just kind of blending in with each other there. Hanging out with everybody. I don't think, I mean, their body types, they all look the same, just a slightly different color. And yeah, I like they're just slightly different color there. Adds a little bit of difference. So cool. Yeah.
Babies in here. Can you see them? If you look really hard, you can kind of see them across the screen there. Right there. I've got babies in there. I was pumping out most of the water, and there's a little fry. I got quite a few of them in there. I'll try to find another one and try to zoom in on them. But I'm gonna leave the rest of this water and kind of isolate it. There's one. Where'd he go? There he is, right there. You see him? Right there. Zoom, 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 zoom. So I got a bunch of other little babies in here. So we're gonna isolate the rest of this water. Alright everybody, so this is one of the water plants that I have in my pot there. In Japanese, they say Hotei Aoi. In English, you would just say it's a water hyacinth. And I wanted to be really careful with this guy. You can kind of see the roots there down below, but I wanted to be very careful and check this guy, but Medaka laid their eggs on this, and I saw a few eggs on there. So I'm going to isolate this for a little while and let those hatch and keep an eye on it. Hopefully we can get some some baby Medaka, baby rice fish. Okay guys, running out of daylight here after cleaning up and taking care of a 2-year-old boy, but here are the 2 new scapes, 2 new pots there. I like this new one. I'm keeping them both simple. Where are the fish at? They're in the back there. They're hanging around there. So I have just this kind of clay pot in the middle with this tree there. And then I've just basically scaped this one with just rocks. I kind of like it. It's much more simple compared to what I had before. I really like this new one. It looks really cool, and I like the idea that the fish can kind of swim around. And there's a guy, one of the white guys. So I got 5 Medaka, or the kind of orange ones, and then 5 of the Shiro Medaka in this one. So 10 in there, and I just have 10 of the Medaka, the original fish that I got in these guys. You can see they're kind of hanging out underneath that real rock I propped up there. I kept the water hyacinth in there. Yeah, so I took out this water hyacinth and gonna isolate this one because there's some spawn in there, a little bit of the fry in there. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I want to do a little bit more with this one. It kind of looks a little lonely, but really happy with this guy. Okay everybody, I hope you enjoyed this update video of my Japanese rice fish, my Medaka. I'm super excited about the new fish that I have, the Shiro Medaka, or the white Medaka. I hope that hopefully maybe we can crossbreed and see if we get some interesting colors. That'd be really cool. Gonna maybe do a little bit more to this guy, but yeah, we'll give you another update in the next couple of months or so. And super excited about the fry, the babies that I found, and hopefully we'll see the family just keeps growing. So alright, please like, comment, and subscribe, because that's the only way we're gonna grow this channel, and we're gonna reach our goal to sponsor bringing someone to Japan for free. Alright guys, mata ne, bye bye.